Hi, let's have a look at this very distinctive Hogl dress style now. As you can see there, we've got a 3-inch stack heel, leather sole with that rubber portion there, which gives us some height. That's a block lifting us up there. True lace to the front, that doesn't do, and a buckle as well for adjustment. But for easy on, we have a zip to the side. I think that's a fantastic looking, very on-trend product. Bit of a Centaurian inspiration perhaps, but still a sandal style from Hogl. All leather, leather lined, very soft leather upper. Members discounts may apply with this product. If you look to your right on website, you'll see those featured there. Thank you.